investors, hey amazing viewers, it's a beautiful day here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I am here live at Eko Paragon Residence. Eko Paragon Residence is located in Abijo GRA. This is a site update. I was here a few weeks ago and I'm here today to show you how far we have gone right here in this hotel residence. Let's go. To key into this amazing hotel residence right here in Eko Paragon. You have a chance to secure either 1 bed, 2 bed or 3 bedroom terrace duplex with big view right here. You can start as low as 5 million naira for 1 bed, 10 million naira for 2 bed and 20 million naira for the 3 bedroom terrace duplex. Remember, the best time to buy real estate was yesterday. Another best time is today. Kindly reach out to Risk Properties. Let's help you to secure 1, 2, 3 and 5 units right here at Eko Paragon. Thank you and God bless you.